Peter lived in the suburban house with his mom after he left his life in the city to help her out.
My mom was a widow at the time, and I had to be there for her.
Once there, he met Sheryl, and the two eventually purchased it together and had their 2 children here.
My family and my life as I've known it for the last 23 years would not have existed had we not moved into this house.
It was always, you know, my mother-in-law's house. It's never really felt like our home.
I'm not one for a lot of change, but if that's what it's going to take to stay here, then I'm willing to do that.
If we're going to renovate, then we might as well do it all so we can make lots of money and then sell it and find the other house of our dreams. Welcome back to 1980. Beautiful white old tiles that have been here for 30 years. Peter put in the laminate flooring that we have in right now, and it's terrible and it's very dated. Again, we have the old banisters.
Staircase can be replaced.
Yes, but I want to find a place that has everything done. This is just too closed in. It's like, it's very structured.
You can make it the room of your choosing. Just get Hilary to design it for you.
This is wasted space. We don't need all this space. This is probably the biggest eyesore for me in the whole house.
The kitchen is outdated, but the kitchen has a ton of potential. Think of the memories we've created here.
And I agree.
Imagine walking back into this kitchen and it's everything you want. And then you have the memories and the new kitchen.
It's a lot of work, though.
It is.
It's a ton of work.
It is.
This is just too closed in. I want open space. It feels like we're in a box, right?
Well, you are in a box, but if that wall was gone, it's one big open area with a gas fireplace. It's like an entertainer's dream.
Let's just move on upstairs to our main bedroom. Your bedroom is supposed to be an area where it's calming and peace, and it's a getaway instead of sitting at your desk and then going to bed afterwards.
Bedroom's where I get all my work done.
And the ensuite, nothing says ensuite like tiles from 1980.
I love this bathroom. I love coming in here every morning and admiring the amazing bathroom that it is. I get it. We're due for a facelift.
No, I think it's beyond a little redesign. Overhaul is what we needed.
I've done an evaluation on your home.
Okay.
And current value as it stands is $925,000.
Is that a low ball?
It's not a low ball. Once Hilary does whatever she's able to do with your budget, you know, the value's gonna go up, which is gonna get you the other house that you really need. So, what is the must-have list for the new house?
So the must-have list, a fully updated home, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a modern kitchen, a large lot,
Okay?
and it can't be further than 30 minutes from this current home.
Because you've got a 4-bedroom house, and it sounds like you're asking me for something a little smaller than this.
For sure, it could be smaller.
Do you care about a big lot?
It has to be at least as large as this lot.
Okay.
Say there's an in-ground pool.
What's the budget?
The budget for the new house is $1.1 million.
Because of the 30-minute radius, that really does give me a lot of room to work with, even with the pool. I feel good about that. Over to you.
Tell me, what are the must-haves that would convince you that this is the right home to stay in?
Okay, I have a long list. First thing, I need an open concept main floor, a large kitchen with a very large island, renovate all 3 bathrooms, update the fireplace, update the stairs, new flooring throughout, and finally, a brand new deck.
Okay, so what's my budget?
$150,000.
I'm not sure that you're going to get every single thing you're asking for. I'm going to focus on what you need first.
But that's what we need.
Yes, well, if you could up the budget, you could have it.
Okay, but that's why David's gonna find what I need.
And that may very well be the case, but in the meantime, I'm here, and Peter loves this house.
I do.
And I am going to turn this house into the function that you need, the beauty that you want, just not every single square inch that you've asked for.
We'll see.
Fully updated arrow is pointing at me. That's where you're gonna get it.
Where it's already done.
Exactly.
Walk in, turnkey.
And when I find that house, the only thing you're gonna say about this one is list it.
I guess we'll see.
David begins his search for the house that will suit Peter and Cheryl's vision of their future, while Hilary meets with construction manager Rob to go over her big plans.
In here,
Yep.
this wall is coming down because I need the connection. This will be the dining room with this beautiful view out to the deck and the trees, and open now to that lovely room with the fireplace.
That makes sense. Through here?
This kitchen, completely demolished. This wall right here has got to come out gone.
Uh-huh.
The kitchen will continue through into this area with a great big island.
Wow, it's a big kitchen.
It's very big, and that's
Yeah.
exactly what she desperately wants.
Okay.
And then this room remains as the formal living room.
Peter and Sheryl arrive home to talk about Hilary's latest plans.
So now when we come into this family room, which is now open to the dining room and the kitchen, and you have that wall down in there. I mean, this place will be lit up with natural light and the view. It's going to be gorgeous. You notice that I have not mentioned that deck.
The deck, it needs to be, like, you can't even entertain out there.
The plan that I've just described to you, with all of this structure, is going to push you over the budget you gave me by $25,000. You're putting in a lot of money already, $150,000, and I understand that. I do have a backup plan.
Okay.
Which is to just take one wall down, which is this one. If that's all we do, then I think we can probably swing this without going that far over budget.
So it's not really the true open concept.
No, it's not. Really, that's where our decisions are. One wall down, or as open concept as we first described, but for $25,000 more.
We're gonna have to talk about that.
Well, I think we're gonna have to rely on David.
How does it feel to be closer to the big city?
It's definitely closer. The houses are closer, too.
And this is a good way, you know, to find out whether downsizing is for you or not.
Absolutely.
Sounds good.
Let's go.
Okay. Wow.
What was that reaction? It was like, it's like, ooh, what is
tight.
It's not like you're gonna have a party right here.
No.
You know, all the stuff that's gonna be happening is over there.
Okay.
So this is your entrance area from the garage. You've got your powder room.
Nice.
Oh,
Again?
wait, I have to go outside. You're gonna have to go in the bathroom. Oh, no, wait. Oh, it's a little tight.
All right, come on. So your main area, your eat-in kitchen, family room combination
Wow.
with a fantastic island.
This is beautiful.
How does this part of the downsize feel to you?
Inside is different than the feeling you get from the outside.
Right.
It looked like it was going to be a lot
Yes.
more cramped, but this definitely gives a nice, spacious feel.
The backyard space, which obviously is smaller than what you currently have.
Obviously.
It is, definitely.
But I think you could make this beautiful.
You can beautify this all you want, but it's small.
All right, what do you think this house is listed at?
$1,150,000?
What do you think?
I was thinking $1,500,000.
This house is listed at $1,147,000.
Wow.
So, just above your budget. And, you know, and the fact is we've come closer to the city. So if I go in a different direction, I can potentially get a little more than I would get here. All right?
All right.
Awesome, let's go.
The cabinets are going to run all the way along here. I've got to put your stove somewhere, probably pretty much right there. I mean, the idea is
Pretty much right where?
right here, because that's where you would cook. You're going to have your friends over. You know, you
In
don't
front
want
of the
to walk
window?
in and out- Sorry?
In front of the window?
I have to get rid of that window.
We can't work around the window?
No, I really can't.
This is one of the biggest windows in the home. We get a lot of natural light that comes through this window.
You've still got that window in the kitchen there and that lovely bay in the dining room.
Can I have some time to think about it?
I don't like taking away windows, but I also don't like designing a bad kitchen. This is a kitchen that's designed properly. Windows going, has to go. And when it's done and you have everything opened up, I hope, it will compensate for this. So the most important thing right now is to get these walls down. So think about that. $25,000, a lot of money.
And a lost window.
After you.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Nice front entryway.
Beautiful.
Front hall closet.
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy so far.
Keep going, keep going.
What do you think, Peter?
It's a good start.
And right to your right, we have the office.
Oh, that's a cool
Oh,
office.
this is nice.
So far, so good.
Let's go see the rest of the main floor,
Let's go.
which has a very nice flow to it. You can see the fireplace from here, and then you have this.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Okay.
Isn't that nice? Isn't that beautiful? Tons of counter space, huge island.
It's fantastic.
Got everything you need. You've got a double oven, which is nice. Great for entertaining.
Oh yeah, you're not crammed at all. You've got so much space to move around.
Let's hit the laundry area, which is right around the corner. Love these floors. Look at the laundry room.
Yeah.
I mean, look at all the storage you've got
Big
in there.
space.
Oh, very nice.
So the bedrooms, let's go.
To the bedrooms.
So up here we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom.
Yep,
It's
no,
a
I
shared
like it.
bathroom for kids?
Yes. Do they need to have their own bathrooms?
No, but one doesn't clean up their space, and then, yeah.
Well, there is a guest room in the lower level. There's a bathroom down there.
That's what I was wondering.
Right? So then they can mess up their own space and have to worry about it.
That could work, yeah.
Oh my God, it has a pool.
Oh, it has a pool, all right.
Oh my God.
It
look at
has
this
more
over
than just a
here.
pool. I mean, you've just got so much space for entertaining.
Great
Oh,
space.
look at the deck.
And look at the two-tier
the
deck you've got.
glass.
And then you've got the grass area, and they've created like a little area for gardening. And that's your main bedroom right there.
That's
so you
right.
walk out those doors and you come and sit
Sit
by
here
the
and
pool.
have your coffee.
Yep.
Wow.
Privacy. I mean, you couldn't ask for a nicer bed.
Incredible.
This house is listed at $1,150,000.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Really?
So this is $50,000 over budget, but I mean, you couldn't even do that pool for $50,000.
No.
That's amazing.
That is amazing.
Yes, it is.
There you go. That's gonna help me convince you.
We'll see. Hilary's got some work to do. You've outdone yourself.
This just doesn't look like our house.
It's not supposed to look like
I
your
know.
house.
Stunning.
That's the reaction I wanted.
Okay, I'll pull it together now.
You don't have to pull it together.
Beautiful.
It's stunning.
We're going to continue on in. And then here is the dream kitchen. Come on in. So we had a wall right here.
We did.
I'm just trying to take it all in.
There is a lot to take in.
Not take it all in at once.
So first of all, I want you to see the connection with your living room.
This is stunning.
Of course, the big thing here was the window. Remember that?
Yes.
And I'm not going to keep throwing that in your face, but I might. So we have light coming from the front, transferring to light from the back.
Oh, nice.
And this is why I knew it didn't matter.
You
But
called
you
it.
didn't know. It's
I
okay. I mean, the storage is insane here. So you've got storage within this island.
Look at these countertops.
The countertops are
Stunning.
beautiful and very low maintenance.
Wow.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And again, I want you to see how the connection is now. It
just flows beautifully.
That's exactly what this is for. It's about visual flow and then actual
Yes.
physical flow.
Wow, what a table.
You can, as you see, comfortably have 8 here.
Yes, and then you still have the bar stools.
Exactly. But now we move on.
I love the accents on the wall. Wow.
Yes, the paneling is lovely.
Different room. So
I
cozy.
mean, isn't this lovely?
Beautiful.
Everyone will hang out in here.
I'm thrilled with how this turned out.
I'm thrilled.
I'm thrilled
Are you
too.
thrilled?
I'm thrilled, and I didn't know if I was going to be thrilled, but I'm beyond.
Good.
Oh my God.
Wow.
This
Very
is
nice.
fabulous. And now we can have people use our
Well done. Yeah, we won't be embarrassed.
powder room. We won't be embarrassed about it.
Everything is up to par with the rest of the renovation.
Oh, I love it.
Onward and upward.
Go on up ahead of me.
Oh, I love the hardwood upstairs. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh, our kids have a nice bathroom now. I love the shower.
Wow. I didn't expect that.
I love it. Oh my God.
It's
Oh
so
my
different.
God, it's not even the same.
It is so different.
Different.
You close that door,
Wow.
and this is your space.
Yes.
Blue is one of the most calming colors.
Yep.
It just actually does calm you.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
Our voices are calm. Maybe because the room is calming.
Now, the ensuite.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Very nice.
Wow. I can't even remember what it looked like
Well, let's
before.
start with the fact there was a window.
Yes. Okay.
But honey, look how bright it is still,
No.
right?
Plenty.
The fact that this is also white, less light gives you more. So nothing's absorbing the light, it's all bouncing the light.
Sure. Once again, you were right.
Look at this shower. Oh, and a little tub.
You got your little tub. Beyond expectations.
Yes, you've outdone yourself.
So, decision made?
Yes,
And? Are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
we're going to love it.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Pool,
Sorry.
lake. I'm looking at you, Peter.
Sorry.
Golf course.
I tried. We love it.
Yeah, David,
That's
you did
nice.
an awesome job. And that last house had lots of beautiful things, but you know, when you walk into this, it's a done deal as soon as we walked in, basically.
Oh, I have something for you.
There's more?
Cover your eyes.
Okay.
Keep an eye on them, that they keep
Okay.
keep their eyes covered.
You can open them if you want.
What could it possibly be?
Peter, this is for you. You can look.
With a bow.
My window!
You know, I kept saying I don't want to rub it in, but you know that I really did.